With the rise of AI being used to help us achieve mundane tasks we would rather not do, so too has there been a rise in the number of nefarious use cases for the new technology. Students who have been brought up with AI will come up with the first new use cases, so it's important to try to stay one step ahead. It has been well documented that some bad actors are using this technology to generate artificial imagery of their peers in scantily clad outfits and create explicit nude photos, otherwise known as deepfake nudes. With GAT Shield, you can stop students from searching for these tools and alert Google Workspace for Education administrators about students using AI resources for malevolent use cases. To set this up, first we'll have to open the GAT Shield tool and then navigate to the Alerts section and then select the Rules area. From here, select New Alert Rule. In the new window, you will need to give your alert rule a name. In this case, I'll put Deepfake Search Alert. Then I'll set the type to Search. For the action, I will redirect the user and provide a warning message. However, you can choose to close the tab, close without a warning, redirect without a warning, show just a warning, or take no action. For the default severity, I will classify it as high. I'll then select Continue. For the scope, you will need to select which users the rule is applied to. You can pick a user, group, an org unit, or select all users. You can also whitelist users, groups, or OUs so they are not affected by this rule, as well as specific websites that you want to bypass this rule. I will leave this as a domain-wide block and then I'll select Continue. For the mode, we'll be selecting regular expression. In the description of this video, you will find a link to our article for this guide. In that article, you will find the regex pattern that we'll be copying and pasting here. You can also find a deeper explanation as to how to understand what this regex pattern is doing. Make sure to keep case sensitive off and then select Continue. In the notifications area, we can choose who will be receiving alerts when a user attempts to access a deepfake website. In this case, I'll leave it as myself. I'll also make sure full alert context is checked so I get as much information about this alert as possible. And I can also choose to record a screen and webcam capture at the time of the alert. You can choose whether to send this only as part of the email or to also save it to the drive of the rule creator as well as other recipients if needed. I will choose to just send it via the alert email. Then I'll click Continue and then select Submit. My rule has now been created and it can also be managed from this area. Here you can see an example of the alert that I received when a user attempted to access inappropriate content. And since I chose to include screen and webcam captures as part of my alert notification, they will be included as an attachment. And in this case, since my user doesn't have a webcam, I will only receive a screen capture. To access logs for your alerts, you can find them in the notifications area under Rules in the Alert section. From here you can review their details as well as report if they have been acknowledged. And that covers this GAT Shield guide. Thanks for watching.